If searching for a gaming phone or a rugged phone, there are numerous brands available from the best to the most affordable. But what if you are after a gaming rugged phone? One powerful enough to run the latest game and strong enough to survive an involuntary drop? Well, Blackview is up to that challenge. The Blackview BL5000 is boasting a series of game-oriented features to boost performance to its fullest and provide smooth and lag-free gameplay in the latest popular titles, like Genshin Impact. Powered by a 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor with 8GB of RAM, it also offers 128GB of FastUFS 2.2 storage. The BL5000 ensures fast connectivity via dual 5G. The phone has the capability of switching between two 5G connections for better reliability. The BL5000 5G is an entry-level 5G smartphone from Blackview. Aside having 5G network, the devices also support IP68, IP69K and MIL STD810 certification for water dust and shock resistance. From the front, the BL5000 sports a 6.36 inches display with 1080x2300 pixel resolution. The screen is an IPS panel with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection and a dot notch atop. Powering the device is MediaTek's Dimensity 700 octa-core CPU, clocked at 2.2 GHz, along with Mali G57 GPU. The model has 8GB RAM accompanied with 256GB US 2.2 internal storage. On the camera department, the Blackview BL5000 has two main sensors on the rear, comprising of a 12-megapixel main lens and 16-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with a LED flash, while a single 16-megapixel selfie lens is used on the front. It comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, has dual nano SIM with support for 5G SA modem. The device is 12.8mm thick and houses a 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charger, while Google Android 11 is available out of the box.